Welcome to Phuket Old Town. Today we'll explore the colorful streets, local life, and hidden gems of this historic town. Phuket Old Town is famous for its Sino-Portuguese architecture, colorful shop houses, and lively streets. Let's take a walk down Thalang Road. As we explore the side streets, you'll find quiet alleys, local vendors, and daily life away from the main tourist path. Phuket Old Town is also a cultural hub with street art and heritage buildings that tell the story of its rich history. That's our walking tour of Phuket Old Town. If you enjoyed exploring these colorful streets, subscribe for more relaxing walking tours around the world.